Hi guys!
And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine.
I'm Miley.
Tapos na. For today's video, papanoorin natin ang official teaser ng isa sa mga entries for the upcoming Metro Manila Film Festival 2024 on their 50th year. And this time it's going to be The Kingdom under Quest Ventures and APT Entertainment Incorporated.
Yeah, starring Vic Soto, Piolo Pascual with Sue Ramirez, Sid Lucero, and Christine Reyes.
Directed by Michael Tuviera, DGPI. And without any further ado,
Without any further kuda,
let's watch this. Family drama. Uy, ang ganda.
parang hindi Pinas yung setting. Parang Brunei.
Sobrang teaser siya, guys. Like, ano sa palagay mo yung ano?
I mean, teaser siya kasi there's a lot of things to be unveiled.
Pero, interesting.
Interesting.
Diba? Sobrang
naman.
interesting.
Like, napick yung curiosity ko dun sa wardrobe.
Yes, ang ganda ng wardrobe, ang production, ang setting nila, hindi natin alam kung meron ba tong magic na naman. Parang
Feeling ko
ganun.
wala. Feeling ko siya, ano siya, parang historical
Kingdom talaga.
drama.
Na baka old Philippine kingdom, parang gano'n.
Ganon. Mga kingdom of
Hindi
Luzon.
pa natin alam. Yun yung mga, ano lang naman, hindi tayo nagko-conclude or nag-jump into
Yes.
conclusion talaga.
We just don't have any idea.
Ano kaya yun? As curious as you are, parang curious din kami.
Yes.
And something to look forward to. Like, abangan natin yung trailer and babalikan natin ano kaya, di ba?
And ano to, surprisingly, this is something new for coming from Vic Soto. Kasi syempre, di ba pag MMFF, pag Enteng Cabezota, yung mga ganyan,
Oo.
comedy.
Basta abangan natin yan and na-excite ako, yun lang. Thank you so much guys at sinamahan niyo kami sa nagdaang reaction video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!